Ready?
Anna's trying gröt for the first time. What do you think, Anna?
And,
is that really what you think? Or is it because you're just not used to it, huh? She's got this weird face like, what's going on? This is new. Don't give her maybe so much, like in the spoon. There you go. Oh, there she opened her mouth. Yeah, she's trying on it. What do you think?